I saw this beautiful wavy connecting line on my social handle and decided to make a tutorial on it. This animation not just catches attention, it also looks so satisfying as well. So let's see how to make it in After Effects. Let's create a new composition and give it a name. You can see my composition settings on the screen. So first, I'm going to add text into this composition, and for that, I'm going to use the Type tool and write something. Quickly align it to the center, and then I'm going to animate this text. So for that, I just open the text properties, and under it, click this icon to add a position property. Now look closely. If I change this position value, the entire text moves. But if I go into Range Selector 1 and change the start point, which is the red marker, we are able to move only a particular section of this text. In my case, I have to adjust the start point once again to fix this error, and now it looks perfect. But right now, you can see our text is misaligned, so for that, I'm going to open its actual position property and then add a keyframe. Then I align this text to the center. Then I go back to the first frame and once again click the center line icon. Now it animates perfectly. So let's select all the keyframes and easy ease them. Then I go to the graph editor, expand the graph, and then change it like this. Let's see the small preview. And now it looks great. So let's move forward and add a typewriting animation to this text. So for that, I first select all the keyframes of this particular text layer and move them forward a bit around 1 second. Then I go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for typewriter and add it to this layer. If I play the preview, you can see our animation is working, but we have to control the timing. So I am going to adjust its keyframes just like this to adjust the speed of the typewriting animation. And now it looks good. After completing the text animation process, I'm ready to move on to adding a line between the stacks and animating it as well. So for that, I deselect everything and then select the pen tool. Make sure stroke is turned on, and then I'm going to add a line between these texts. I also increase the stroke to increase the visibility, and then I'm going to animate this. First, I rename this as line 1, and then I'm going to add a trim path to this layer. If I open the trim paths, you can see 2 values. Now, if I increase the start value, you can see our line shortening from the start. And if I decrease the end value, you can see our line shrinking from the end. To animate this first, you have to add a keyframe on both properties. Then go back, and here I am going to change the start value to around 50%. And then I'm going to change its end value to 50%. To remove the line from this composition, and if I play the preview, you can see how it will animate. Then I select all the keyframes and easy ease them. I also change its graph to match the text movement, and now it animates perfectly and syncs with this text. And now it's time to create wavy lines from it and glow it up. So first I'm going to pre-compose this line 1 layer and name it Line Animation. Click this icon before clicking OK. Once you've created it, simply open this composition. Then turn on the ruler and add a guideline on both sides of this line. Then add 1 more guideline slightly outside each edge. Then add 2 more guidelines from top and bottom, so we get a rectangle here. Then select the crop tool and create a rectangle according to our guidelines. Once you've created it, simply go to the composition option and choose Crop Comp to Region of Interest. So it will crop this composition just like this. And now I'm going to search for an effect called Wave Warp and add it to this layer. Once I add it, you can see our line moving like a wavy line, but the edges of this line are not fixed. They're continuously changing their position. So to fix, simply change the pinning option to all edges. And now both edges of this line are fixed. Now, if you want, you can increase the wave width as well as the wave height as per your requirement, but I'll keep it simple to explain. After that, I add a keyframe on the wave height and then go back to the first frame and change it to 0 to animate this line. But I think I have to adjust the keyframe position to adjust its timing. And now it looks good. Alright, so let's add a glow effect and add it to this layer to glow up this wavy line. And after that, we are ready to multiply this line. So for that, I select this line and then I duplicate it. After that, I go to the Effects Control panel, and in this section, you have to change its phase value to get a variation in this line, just like this. You can also change its wave width. And lastly, don't forget to change its color. So as you understand, we have to multiply the lines and adjust their settings. So I repeat this process and then check the small preview. So once you are satisfied with the wavy line animation, you can go to the main composition and adjust its position and then check the final preview. You can adjust the timing and the design of these wavy lines anytime you want if you need to. So that's how you can create a connecting wavy line animation in After Effects.